Question 411. How do you approach the onboarding of new team members within a collective leadership framework? Onboarding new team members within a collective leadership framework requires a comprehensive and inclusive approach. I emphasize introducing newcomers to the organization's collective leadership principles and values early on. Pairing them with a buddy or mentor can help them acclimatize to team dynamics and expectations. Structured onboarding sessions should include training on collaborative tools and practices. Encouraging new members to share their perspectives and ideas fosters engagement from day one. Regular check-ins during the onboarding process allow for feedback and adjustments, ensuring that new team members feel welcomed and empowered to contribute to the collective leadership environment. Question 412. What strategies can you employ to encourage team members to take ownership of their roles in a collective leadership model? Encouraging team members to take ownership in a collective leadership model involves fostering a sense of accountability and empowerment. I recommend clearly defining roles and responsibilities while allowing flexibility for individuals to explore their interests and strengths. Providing opportunities for skill development through training and mentorship can enhance confidence and competence. Regularly recognizing and celebrating individual contributions reinforces the value of ownership. Encouraging open dialogue about challenges and successes fosters a supportive environment. By creating a culture where team members feel trusted and valued, organizations can inspire greater ownership and commitment to collective goals. Question 413. How would you handle a situation where team members are reluctant to adopt collective leadership practices? Handling reluctance to adopt collective leadership practices requires understanding the underlying concerns. I would start by engaging team members in open discussions to explore their hesitations. Providing education on the benefits of collective leadership and sharing success stories can help alleviate fears. Involving reluctant members in pilot initiatives allows them to experience the advantages firsthand. Additionally, addressing their concerns and adapting practices based on feedback can build trust. Continuous support and encouragement from leadership are essential in demonstrating commitment to the transition. By fostering a positive and inclusive environment, I can help overcome resistance and promote collective leadership practices. Question 414. Describe how you would evaluate the long-term success of collective leadership initiatives within an organization. Evaluating the long-term success of collective leadership initiatives requires a multi-dimensional approach. I recommend establishing both qualitative and quantitative metrics to assess impact. Quantitative measures may include employee engagement scores, turnover rates, and productivity levels, which can indicate shifts in team dynamics. Qualitative feedback through surveys and focus groups can provide deeper insights into employee experiences and perceptions of collective practices. Regular assessments and adjustments based on findings are crucial for ongoing improvement. Tracking progress against predefined organizational goals helps ensure alignment and accountability. By fostering a culture of continuous learning, organizations can sustain the positive effects of collective leadership over time. Question 415. What approaches would you use to develop a collective leadership training program for an organization? To develop a collective leadership training program, I would first conduct a needs assessment to identify specific organizational challenges and goals. Engaging key stakeholders ensures relevance and buy-in. The program should encompass workshops on essential skills such as communication, conflict resolution, and decision-making. Incorporating experiential learning through role-playing and simulations enhances engagement and retention. I recommend including diverse perspectives by inviting external experts or facilitators to share insights. Continuous feedback and iteration of the program, based on participant experiences, are essential for improvement. By aligning the training with organizational objectives, I can foster a robust culture of collective leadership. Question 416. How would you approach building a culture of collective leadership within a team that is resistant to change? To cultivate a culture of collective leadership in a resistant team, I would start by facilitating open discussions that emphasize the benefits of collaboration. Implementing small, incremental changes allows team members to experience the advantages firsthand. I would also involve key influencers within the team to champion these changes, ensuring they understand the value of shared leadership. Regular workshops focusing on team dynamics and collective decision-making can further reinforce the new culture. Additionally, celebrating early successes and gathering feedback can help address concerns, ultimately fostering a more accepting environment for collective leadership practices. Question 417. What tools or frameworks do you recommend for implementing collective leadership in distributed teams? For distributed teams, I recommend using collaboration tools such as Miro for visual brainstorming and Asana for task management. Frameworks like Holacracy or Sociocracy provide structured processes for decision-making and accountability in a collective leadership model. These frameworks emphasize shared authority and transparent roles, which are essential in a remote environment. Additionally, utilizing regular video check-ins through platforms like Zoom can help maintain personal connections and ensure alignment on goals. Incorporating feedback loops via surveys or retrospectives can further enhance collaboration and adaptability within the team, promoting a sense of ownership and engagement among team members. Question 418. How can continuous integration, continuous deployment, CCD practices support collective leadership? CCD practices can significantly support collective leadership by fostering a culture of collaboration and shared responsibility in software development. By automating testing and deployment processes, team members can focus on collective problem solving rather than individual tasks. This transparency allows everyone to see the impact of their contributions in real time. Moreover, incorporating collaborative tools like Git for version control ensures that all team members can contribute and review code without barriers. Regularly scheduled team reviews and retrospectives can further facilitate open discussions about improvements, leading to shared ownership of the software development lifecycle and encouraging collective leadership practices. Question 419. Describe a time when you identified a cultural misalignment in a team. How did you address it? In a previous role, I noticed a misalignment between the team's collaborative values and the existing hierarchical decision-making structure. I initiated a series of one-on-one conversations to understand individual perspectives, followed by a team workshop focused on identifying shared values. This process revealed a strong desire for more inclusive decision-making. I facilitated the development of a new governance model that incorporated collective input, ensuring everyone's voice was heard. Implementing regular feedback sessions allowed the team to adjust the model as needed. This approach not only improved team morale, but also aligned their culture with their collective leadership aspirations. Question 420. What metrics would you use to assess the effectiveness of a collective leadership initiative? To assess the effectiveness of a collective leadership initiative, I would employ both qualitative and quantitative metrics. Key performance indicators, KPIs, might include team engagement scores, the number of collaborative projects undertaken, and the frequency of cross-functional interactions. Additionally, conducting regular surveys to gauge team sentiment regarding leadership dynamics and decision-making processes can provide valuable insights. I would also analyze project outcomes, looking for improvements in timelines, quality, and stakeholder satisfaction as indicators of effective collective leadership. Regularly reviewing these metrics allows for adaptive strategies and continuous improvement within the collective leadership framework. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.